beautiful people, happy new year to you. Welcome back to Yinka Beams. On this channel I talk about big business, I talk about business growth, personal development, tutorials and lifestyle. This is my first video this year. Let me officially welcome you into year 2025. Happy new year to you and welcome to year 2025. Vision board, hangout and goal setting for 2025. It is important for you as an individual that you're watching this video to set your goals for the year 2025. You need to get a book and a pen and jot them down. Every year I do not make the mistake of not jotting my goals down, and I use this book. In the year 2025 I have used this book again. Even though I set some goals last year and I did not, there are some that it wasn't accomplished, but I'm going to carry it on and continue working on it for the year 2025, and I've already set another one for 2025. It's in here and it has been set. Now, why you need to set your goals? You need to set your goals because this will propel you to be able to tell you that the things that you want to work on for 2025. And mind you, there are some goals that you not even set on that you are going to achieve, because there are some things I did not even write down last year, like this mini space that I'm using, that you're currently seeing. I did not write it down. I was going to get a mini space, but God brought it and made it possible last year. So I need you to understand that even though I said you should set your goals, don't forget the God factor and back it up with prayers. That being said, on the 11th of January 2025, I and some amazing business owners, we held an hangout. We organized an hangout. One of the community I joined on Instagram, her name is Creative Lashe. She has this community of business owners that she call My Lover. Now, she organized a vision board hangout for us, and because I don't want to do cho this year, I want to take action. I paid for that hangout. That hangout is 15,000 naira per person. When the hangout was done, when we were coming back, we came back with these goodies and this cap. You can see I haven't even worn it. You can see my loafer. Then a gift, a bonnet from one of the business owners that we came. Everything classy S. Then I also came with chin. I put it in the kitchen, liquid soap, and a whole lot more. And even a cup is in the kitchen. Then it came in this beautiful souvenir pack. You can see creative. You can see new beginnings, big dreams, vision board hangouts. 11th of January 2025, and we talked about networking. We had fun. We had talks about business, the strategies you need to use for your business, and I just want to come here to talk about it, that it's important for you as a business owner to set your vision for the year. If you have the capability, you can set your vision maybe on your smartphone, or even go ahead and use the physical board. Now, on that day when we all came together, we were over 30 business owners that we came together to organize, to come together for the vision board hangout, and it's called Lagos Vision Board Hangout. We came with our keynotes, our sellotape, our gum, the goal sheets, the things I want to use. So we came purposely. We wanted to create a vision board, and on this table you can see this is my vision board. So after that hangout was the one that birthed this vision. In the middle of this board I have 2025 vision board. So all the things that I want to achieve in 2025, it's cut across business, finances, health, spiritual, personal development, and everything. It's cut across every areas of our life, and I put it into this board. So every time in my space I put it at the back of me, I'll just carry it and see that, okay, am I on the right track? One of the things on my vision board this year is to learn China importation. The second thing on my vision board this year is to author 7 books in 2025. It's right here. I'm looking at it here. So every time I look at it, I'm like, Olayinka, you have not started working on your book. Even though I have authored 6 digital products at the moment, 4 are books, 2 are courses. Well, this year I'm going to be launching another course for my Bead brand. It's going to be an online beading course. So if you are watching this video and you want to learn video jewelry making, this year I am launching my online. I am relaunching. I'm not, because the first time I launched this course was in 2020 or 2021 thereabouts. So I needed an upgrade and I needed to make everything. I needed to create all the videos all together again. The things I know in 2025 now, I do not know them in 2021 when I first created the video. So that time, in fact, my video then, the course then was selling for 5,000 naira, but now it's going to be an upgrade, better, bigger, and more better. So that's one of the things I have here. It's even here. I said launch my online beading course. So I want you to create a vision board for yourself. I'm not going to tell you everything about my vision board because it is personal to me. I only mention my online course and my new book because that is what I want other people, you to know. There are some things as well I have here. Get a virtual assistant. I need an assistant in 2025 because 2024 the workload was a whole lot and it was exhausting. I was tired because I run two brands, so it's not easy to do all of them together. So this year I'm looking at getting a virtual assistant. It's on my vision board. So if you're watching this video and you have not created your vision board, if you don't have the time to go and look for a plank like this and you have to bring all the pictures together, you can use your smartphone. Just go to Canva and create something for yourself. I have a vision board that I created, that I released a video on vision board. If you can scroll back to my video, to my videos, you will still see the video of how to create a vision board. I released it in 2024. That was last year. Is it last year or 2 years ago? I think it was last year. So if you want to know how to create vision board, please go back to my video and go and check it, because I don't think I'm going to be loading any videos again because I have uploaded them unless I decide to wait. So on this board I have my vision for the year 2025. So many things are looking at me here. I have my mini course, I have business goals, I have spiritual goals, I have even books that I want to read, because last year I told myself I was going to read monthly, but I did not meet up with that goals. But right now I am looking at it here, and I've stated the number of books I want to read in 2025 and the number of sales I want to make, the things I want to do. Even my YouTube channel is right here on my vision board. So make sure you do a vision board for yourself or use your smartphone to create one. And when I talk about goal setting, it's just like similar to vision board, because it is when you set your goals that you'll be able to know what you want to put on the vision board. Now, what is goal setting? Goal setting, your goals must be specific. Your goals must be smart. It must be specific. It must be means measurable. It must have a time frame. Your goal must have a time frame. Look, okay, I want to author 7 books in 2025. Okay, I need to break that goal down. Like, how many books do I want to author? That do I want to write in a month? If I want to author 7 books in 2025, that means we have 12 months this year. I can even launch 12 books this year. That means that every month I am launching a new book. Yes, it's possible. But I don't want to put myself under unnecessary pressure. That is why I just lower it to 7 books in 2025. And trust me, I am already working on it. Just that I need to put all of them together. But I have the title, most of them, the title are in my book here, just to bring all the write-up together, to start forming. And like I said, I have 4 books I've written on. I have 4 books already. So I am not a novice when it comes to authoring a book. One of my books that I launched in 2020, which is my bead book, titled How to Start a Bead Making Business from Home with Complete Guide, is currently on Amazon. It's been on Amazon since 3 years ago, and I make some money from that. So even though if I want to say that I want to author 7 books in 2025 now, I need to be specific. Okay, I'm specific already, 7 books. Now I need to measure it. Like, how did I want to do it? Did I want to write 1 book in a month, so that within the next 4 months I have already written on my 4 books, so that I will be able to know the time frame that I want to launch this book? That also goes for other goals. that also goes for other goals that you set. So your goals, you have to break your goals into a level that it has to be specific. Let's just say social media platform is booming creativity, excellence, professionalism, and even active. You are not going to come to my page and I'm going to be saying last post 10 months ago, unless my page is always active. I drop videos every time on all my social media platforms, especially my Instagram page, Bring Resources. Every single day I make sure that I drop nothing less than 5 posts. This year I said I'm going to move it to 10 posts, and when I resumed, or the first week I resumed, I posted 10 times, like 4 times consecutively. But right now I have slowed down because I want to work on some things, and then I will continue to post like 5 times and 10 times again. Now when I said I want to make 100 businesses, I want to register 100 businesses in a month. That means that every week I must register nothing less than 100 divided by 4. That means I must register nothing less than 25 businesses every week. These 25 businesses will include business name, NGO, or company. So that means that out of the 25, I will do like maybe like 6 business name, 5 NGO, 5 company. That's 5, 5, 10, 11. That's 10, 16. That means maybe like business name will be like 15, NGO 5, and company 5. That means we have 25 already. So your goals must be specific, measurable, and has a time frame. Don't just set goals anyhow with no time frame, with nothing. It has to be realistic. Don't set unrealistic goals. I know that it's good to aim high, but you have not made 1 million before. You want to say that in your sales you want to make 500 million. You are not being realistic. If you have made 1 million before, then you can actually make 2 or 3 million. So you can say that, okay, I've made 1 million before. This is 2025, I want to make 5 million. That means you are going to do times 4 of the things that you did last year that made you get 1 million. You are going to do. So these are just what I want to talk about in this video. Create your own vision board. If you are watching this video, go on Canva, go and pick a template and design a vision board for yourself. If you know that you don't want to go to Canva, go to people that go to all those people that sell plank. Tell them you want a plank like this. It will have this white space. It will have this white space. So tell them you have this white something. So you'll be able to get your pictures, your pictures and everything for your vision board, and you'll be able to use your gum. You will gum it with your gum and sellotape on the vision board. So I have 2025 vision board right at the middle, and I place every one of them in their different sections. I'm looking at my business goals in front of me: spiritual goals, business, family, health, financial goals is here. I have business goals here. I even have long-term goals. Yes, on your vision board, have a long-term goal. I have a long time to understand some things before you go into marriage. You can just put it as a long-term goal. Maybe in the year, in the next 2 years, I'm going to get married. You will put it down here. Or maybe in 2 years' time, I'm going to go for my master's. I will be done with my university. They are long-term goals. Put it right here. And you are going to be looking at it every day. It's going to prepare you to do so. Okay, you have this, you have that, and it's going to help you. So that's just what I want to talk about in today's video. Set your goals and create your vision board. Create a vision board for yourself, be it digital or physical. Anyone that you do is fine. If this is your first time of seeing my video, my name is Olayinka and this is Yinka Beams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about seeing my big business growth, tutorials, personal development, and lifestyle. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.